Hello, African Lioness team, the lion and the lionesses. Welcome back to another video. So guys, if you are new here, you are seeing my face for the first time, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe, like, share, put your comment down on the comment section below. Tell us what you think about this video. All right, so don't forget to share your thoughts on the comment section after watching the video. Share your thoughts because some people always like to jump into the comment section to see people's opinions. So with that said, let's go straight to the video.
This whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Are you hearing me? Each Monday will come and inspect. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down main market for the remainder of this year. I'm just from Oka. Everywhere is open. People are going about their businesses. Then you come down to Onitsha, come down to Main Market, the once reputed market as the largest market in West Africa. Okay? Yes, sir. I have just driven all the way from the junction with Ose to this place. Through much of Johnson, I've seen through Johnson, I've seen through Bright, and the shops locked up. I've peeped inside. A few persons here and there. I know that people have done this sit at home on Mondays for quite some time now. And as I say, an abomination that lasts a year becomes culture. No. This can no longer go on in Anambra. You either decide that you want to trade here or you can go elsewhere. This main market, if you don't want it open, I'll come and take bulldozer and level it. Are you hearing me? And I'm very, very serious about it. I'm not joking. Going forward, any Monday, any shop that is not open will be locked for 1 week. And let me tell you this. As I'm speaking to you now, when I finish this whole main market and all the adjoining these things will be locked down for the whole of this week. There will be no market anywhere here. Are you hearing me? Each Monday will come and inspect. If people are not in their respective shops, it will be shut down again. If you like, I don't mind shutting down main market for the remainder of this year. If you don't like it, go elsewhere and trade. But if you are here, we're not going to allow this. It's plain economic sabotage. And also, we suspect whoever closes their shop to have some criminal intent. Those who shut down their shop, who lock up their shops on Mondays, are saboteurs, and we suspect them of having criminal intent. Now, this market is shut down. I've come here with the Commissioner of Police. I'm here with the Commissioner of Police and with the security agents. You see the soldiers. Instance for the first 1 week. If we come on Monday and it is locked and any shop is not, we'll lock it for 1 month.
We cannot enter anybody's house to drag them out. Don't sit at home. Come out. We cannot do it. We will be infringing on their fundamental human rights. They have freedom of choice. Ours is to make the environment conducive for those who want to come out and go about their businesses. We have a duty to protect them.
The squabble between Soludo and the business people, business traders in Onitsha Main Market. In fact, he also extended it to more. They say he extended it to more markets, like 12 markets in Onitsha. 12 markets, that's virtually all the markets in Onitsha. So how are people going to feed? Guys, now wow. So Governor, if I were you, I will provide adequate security everywhere in Anambra State, especially in Onitsha, all the markets. in Onitsha. Now you want all of them to come out to go to shop, to open their shops. You want them to go back to their businesses. Where is the security? That's the problem. Many of them are afraid. Many of them don't want to go anywhere because some people have been caught up that way. You know, there's one lady on Facebook now. She said that her in-law, they took her in-law away since when you said this same thing last time, and that man was one of the chairmen of the Onitsha Main Market. Till today, they have not seen that man till today. You know, so, and according to her, nothing has been done. So because of what has happened to other people, people are now afraid to come out. So if I were you, put up the security first. Put the security. Make sure that everywhere is filled up with security. Then when there is security, you will not see that people will come out. Yes, they want to do their business. Who knows? Who doesn't know Igbo men, Igbo people as business people? There's no way you tell me that Igbo people don't want to do their business. They want to do their business, but they don't want to buy because of business at the same time. That is it. Many people doesn't like this sit at home. Me, I don't like this sit at home too, you know. But I cannot support where people will go now. They buy them. Nobody knows exactly who is doing the buy, you know. Nobody knows, so they're afraid. So put security up for them. Then they can go to their various businesses. Simple. Ogini kwanunu Soludo ogini na-eme ka ihe ụmụ mmadụ ga-eri. Don't you know that some people eat from what they make in a day, what they make on daily basis? That's what they eat. So you want to be told or what? You want people to tell you that people feed from whatever they make a day. Some people do osahia. Some people do they don't even have shop. Onye ahịa na-enwero shade. You know, even a lot of onye ahịa na-enwero shade. What they do is they hustle between shops and buyers. You know, some people do supply. They supply people goods, not that they really have the market. They go to warehouses and all that. Some people that sells wholesale, they give them, they supply, and they come back. They return money and they go back, and that is what they do on daily basis. Not really that they have shops like that. And some people actually have their shops. So how are you going to match these two together? That you are fighting sit at home, at the same time you are embarking on sit at home. Does it make sense? It doesn't make sense. So I didn't see any sense in it. If there is any sense, somebody should let us know the sense in it. I know that yes, you are trying to stop the sit at home that people are doing, but you have to check how other governors did it. Like Alesoti did it in Abia State. Abia State now they are working. They work on Mondays. They go to market on Mondays. Everything have normalized on in Abia State. You see why we use Alesoti to give you people example every time. Every time we use Alesoti, Chomanda Abia. Every time we use Chomanda Abia to give example, you know. Because the man will use his number 6 to do something that will not, affect anybody. He will do it in a way that it will go very smooth and easy. People will not even notice that something happened. So see, Soludo, we don't know you as a military man. No. Now you are talking about you will allow this maybe police or military or see. Remember what happened in Imo State, oh? That is how that of Imo State. That is how they invited the military in Imo State. Since today, Imo State have never remained the same. Imo State is no longer Imo State we used to know. Today, don't turn Anambra to what is happening in Imo State. Oh. Let us be managing that of Imo State. But this one in Anambra now, don't let Anambra experience what Imo State people are experiencing. Since they employed military in Imo State, Imo has never remained the same again. Every day you hear this and that. It's not easy to bring them, oh, na to take them back na be the problem. No be to bring them be the problem. Now these people now, if you call army for them or call police for them, why? If they ask you now, why did you call police or army? You will say that because people are sitting at home, they didn't go to market, they didn't go to shed, put their shop, they opened their shop. That is why you call police or army. And remember, there is no way you will call police or army that something will not happen. You know how they do. The people you are going to call are not normal army. It's like you people don't know this country. You have not even known what is going on in this country. You people are behaving like as if this governorship have been waiting on that they do. This on our politics is not even allowing you people to know what is happening in the country. You know? You go now, they carry Boko Haram, carry SWAP, carry ISIS, carry all those militia, carry all of them, mix them, gwa ha ka ụgba n'amị, gwakọde ha, gwa ha ụgwọ ka ụgwọ, bụ ewure ndị na-awụ ha ndị amị, gwakọde na ndị ndị amị. So agwakọdecha ha na, ije ka I request ya say, give me military, give me police, give me army. They will give you, but those ones they are going to give you, are they really army? Ha bụ army? Ekwekwele gị ji aka gị kọsọ nsogbu ga-ekote na imebi afọ ọma ibildugoro n'ala Nigeria. Igwego afọ already. Ọkwa gị nwa bụ former governor of CBN, which you did very well. Everybody na-eme ga collide the way you should all na central bank. You know, the way you worked in central bank, you really, your work, people are still using you as an example to today. You know, but don't use this thing now, that is brewing in Anambra State. Don't use it to spoil your reputation. No. See, don't say we did not tell you. Don't say we did not tell you. Soludo, don't say we did not tell you. We are telling you now. Because bringing these people, the people you are trying to bring, they are not normal army. Allegedly, many of them are not normal army. Because when Buhari said that some of them have repented, they can now be reintegrated in Nigerian army. Everybody is aware. They are in there. If you say you want to, if you request for army from Nigeria, they will give you army. But the question is, the army they are giving you, is it the good army, or now those repented Boko? No be them. Know what you are doing. No be. Monkey go market ụkwụ ji ala ozikwe ka ebu isiokwu ọ bụrụ ị ga-aga bụ isiokwu ọ wee lala ịghọtago. So na ndị ị na-akpọtara ha amị ndị a bụ ndị ji ego ha na-eme their business. Onye si na ọma nje ahịa ị ga-eti ya ihe, ị ga-use diplomacy ji ya nwayọ like ote ndị ọzọ chi wee mee. Ị nwere ike ibidogodo na ndị ọlụ oyibo megodo ka ndị ọlụ oyibo na-eje ọlụ. You know, ndị nke a nwere ike bụrụ ndị ikpeazụ, enwe ndị nke a bụrụ ndị a ga-eme last. Ime ndị ọlụ oyibo first, ndị ọlụ oyibo na-eje ọlụ, then ime ndị bank, bidogodo na ndị banks. Ị nwere ike bidogodo na ndị banks, because when the banks are functioning from morning from 9 to 5, yeah, I hope it's 9 to 5. Okay, when bank starts working 9 to 5, then other offices now open. Start with those people. Bidogoli with in the office mepe, banks mepe, banks ni na alụ ọlụ. Schools mepe Mondays, schools ni na alụ ọlụ Mondays. Then schools mepe. What else? Hospitals, you know, all those things. Ndị nke na-alụgodo n'ọfịs si ha mepegodo. Banks mepe, ndị ọfịs niile mepe. Then ka ndị nke abụzie ndị ikpeazụ ga-emepe. You know, by the time ndị ọzọ emepego, ndị nke a ga-emepe. Because ndị nke ọzọ mepe, ndị nke a ga-emepekwu. You know, and when you say can continue sit at home forever, no, nobody is saying that. But what we are saying is do it diplomatically. Diplomatically, yes. Do it diplomatically. Kwa ka esi asị ya. English abụghị onye be anyị. Ihe anyị na-asụ bụ Igbo. Mana nga ọbụla anyị kwutere unu ewere ụta. So use diplomacy. Ji mee ya. Ije na-asị ndị mmadụ ga-anọ n'ụlọ 1 week ọ bụkwa na ha emerọ ha continue kwe ọ bụkwa na emerọzi demolish ihe ị na-ekwukọta bụ okwu ọ dịka ị na-amanyezi ha amanye, and which is a dictator, a kind of, you know, ọ dịka ị na-amanye mmadụ n'ihe ya. Ị ga-amanye m sị m force m sị m bịa ahịa na my own shop m na-akwụ ụgwọ ya ma bịa ahịa 1 month ọ gbasahụ gị ọ ego m ọmụ a na-eluzu, not you. Kemgbe a na-eme sit at home, Soludo ilose go 1 naira na akpa gị, iluzuru 1 naira na your pocket. Eziokwu that asị na according to statistics na asị na Anambra na-elose 8 billion every Monday. Na asị na Anambra na-elose 8 billion every Monday. Then Southeast niile na-elose like is it 16 billion or so, maybe 14 or 16 billion every Monday. You know, onwe onye ga-achọ ka ọ continue like that. Yes, anyị makwa na ihe na-achọ ime dị oke o, but always the pattern duzi shachi ime bụzi ihe o nweze ka ọ dị. Ịghọtago? Ndị mmadụ aga-akwazi agụrụ because na ịchọ ka akwụsị sit at home. Ọ mmadụ niile ga-survive 1 week without selling, without making 1 naira. So onye ọbụla jikwa enwe ka ọ dị n'akpa ga-abụrụ ka ọ dị n'akpa onye ọzọ. And kịta like ebe ndị m furu emegoro ihe sit at home a na-awa ọkụ, ndị a bụgodo ụzọ set up security agụdigodo ọfụma. Okay, isi ha jee ahịa jewe ahịa ka security put in place, gụ nwa na-abịa n'ahịa ahụ ị bịara eso gị nwa ị bịara alone ọkwa iji amị with bulletproof bụ onwe gị round ha burucha egbe chegharịa gị up and down. Ị bịara so gị right, mana ịchọ ka onye ọzọ rapụ bịa wee bịasịa ka sense a dị, ka sense anụnwa dị kịta.